Okay, now it's time to create the metadata and static metadata and dynamic metadata. So for that, first of all, I'm making you understand everything, but first of all, to make you understand, I'm making a folder, blocks, routes, okay. You can call it route metadata also. So blocks, inside blocks, page.tsx. So I'm writing something over here and const block index return deep JSON blog post and there we need UL. We want to map through this blog post, okay. So inside UL, what we need this mock blog post dot map okay. We will get individual post and we need li, okay. And inside li we need key equal to post.id. This is post.id, okay, this id, okay. And inside li we need a href post id and we need h2 post title. Post title and we need another thing, post description. Okay, if we go to blocks, we need default export, okay. So we need here, so stake export default and I hope this time I will get here. We are getting the blog post, okay. So all the blog posts are there. So now it's time to discuss about the metadata. We will discuss about the route metadata, static metadata, and dynamic metadata. So first of all, what we need to know what is metadata. So in Next.js 15, metadata refers to the information that describes the content and context of a web page. It is typically embedded in HTML document with head section and plays a crucial role for SEO. Especially, this is useful for SEO. When the search engine bot comes to your web page, they can get the understanding of your page by the keywords, user experience, social media sharing. So there are four types of metadata. Basic metadata, it should be title and description, we will use later. And keyword, open graph tags, enhance how we will use open graph tags also, enhance how content appears on social media platform like Facebook, etc., allowing to define the share links. Twitter card text, similar to the open graph, but especially for Twitter, controlling the presentation of shared content. Viewport metadata ensure responsive design. This is not for responsive design. So it has the benefit. It has the SEO optimization benefit, properly configured metadata, enhance search engine ranking, and improves visibility, making it easier for user to discover your content. Social media sharing, Open Graph and Twitter card tags allow you to customize how your links are displayed on social media. User experience, clear information of metadata helps user understand. Dynamic metadata supports dynamic metadata, allowing you to generate metadata based on the page content parameters, ensuring relevance and accuracy. Accessibility metadata can provide additional context for assistive technologies, improving the accessibility of your site. So these are the benefits and these are the metadata. So first of all, metadata, you can define it in the layouts and pages also. So see the our root layout inside by default. Next.js is give you the metadata. Okay, so it's home page. So it will be shared in all pages. If you just define here, it will be shared in every page. Say if you go to the home page, you see this is home page. Or if I say Next.js 15, it will be shared in every page. Okay, Next.js 15. So if I go to the blogs, Next.js 15. If we go to the products, Next.js 15. So as we have given it in the layout, so it will be shared everywhere. Okay, but we want page specific metadata. Say for blog page, we want a metadata for blog specific page. Okay, so for that, what we need, and along with that, you will see metadata in the console. Say if you go to the elements, you see this is the metadata. Description generated Next.js 15. Okay, and generated by Next. It's coming from the layout. You see, it's coming from the layout generated by Shakil. I give my name over here so that I can clearly understand, and as a title it is providing from here. You see Next.js 15 description. Okay, so if I gave page specific metadata, so let's go over here and declare export const metadata title. This is a static metadata. Okay, we'll discuss the dynamic metadata a little bit later. Blog posts and description. Description. I'm giving it several times as description is little bit larger. Okay, and you can give the keywords also. Say blog Okay, so we are specifying separate metadata for our blog specific page. So if we go, say right now it's Next.js. So if we visit to the blogs, you see this is blog post. You see this is blog posts. So I hope that makes sense and you understand. You can understand. So go over here, hit metadata. You see blog post. And description is coming from our page. This is page and it must have the keywords blog technology. Okay, so this will help the search engine bot, okay, to ascertain the page and ranking in the SEO. So this is static metadata, so we can define the dynamic metadata also. So let's go for that. So in our blog page, let's create ID and create page over here. So here what we need this thing, describe. I don't know from where it is coming. No need it at all. So go over here and paste it to save our time. And what we need, let's go. We are working on dynamic metadata. Okay, so const get blog post equal to ID as it is Typescript. So give it type definition. Give it blog post or undefined. I am defining blog post attribute. So I am giving return mock blog posts dot find post post ID post ID equal to ID. Okay, you should close the bracket. This is a typo. Now it's time to define the blog post. Okay, interface blog post. So ID string title string description string. Okay, and we should blog post. So right now no errors over here. and dynamic metadata. Now it's time to create dynamic metadata. Okay, dynamic metadata generation. Okay, export async function generate metadata. Okay, params params id string. Okay, and const blog post equal to get blog post params id. params.id. So if no blog post, return the title blog post not found and description okay, then return it should be here title blog post dot title and description blog post dot description. And you can describe open graph title blog post dot title description blog post dot description. So we're almost done. Now const blog post detail equal to params params id string. Okay, const blog post equal to get blog post params.id. If no blog post, return then return deep link will come from next link is ref blocks p tag for navigating simply, and give it a p tag and all blocks, and give it a simple class name text white bz blue. That's it. Very simple. Okay, and after link we need JSON title blog post or title. So I think we're almost done. Let's check. Yeah, we are getting the blocks. So if I click the individual, it's not working. Let's check. So it's not navigating properly from here. Block ID. So there is a wrong over here. What we wrongfully the href, we have defined href wrongfully, and it should be blog post ID. Okay, let's see this time it will work. So if we go to the blocks and if we click it should be blocks, not block, as our page name is blocks. Okay, blocks. Okay, let's do it once again. So blocks, and if I click on default export is not block ID. Yeah, we need default export. Okay, you go to here. Export default. Yeah. So you see understanding React. You see this one and this one, understanding React. So if we do another thing, Next.js basic. You see this is Next.js basic. So dynamically the metadata is changing. Boom. You see, follow here the title and the metadata. It's changing dynamically. But if we go to the about nested, it's Next.js. So it's coming from the layout, but for specific page, we are defining separate static and dynamic route based metadata. Okay, so I'm going on again, blocks, say blocks. So understanding React, you see understanding React, all blocks, JavaScript ES6 feature, and here it is also changing according to that. Go to the header, footer, head. You see title. You see this is the title. It is changing. Okay, and explore the new feature. Content will be the explore the new feature. You see in ES6. So I'm showing you once again. So if you go to the blog post, it will change. Understanding React.js. Go to header, head. You'll see understanding React, and a deep dive into the React. You see, we deep dive into the React. So if we go another page, you will see Next.js basic. You see here it Next.js basic. So it's dynamically changing. You can explore it several times. Understanding that. So this is all about route-based metadata, static and dynamic metadata, and page-specific metadata. So if you don't use layout, you can show the page-specific layout, and it has this is static metadata and this is dynamic metadata. So it is coming dynamically. So if you have any problem to understand, let me know.